If you had to pick a favorite color between the colors blue, red, and green, which color would you pick? Okay. Write your color on your board. If you had to pick which is your favorite color between blue, red, and green, which one would you pick?
It's hard to choose.
Now you gotta pick one. Just pick one. Pick one. Just write, and don't worry about the spelling of it. If you want, you could just write B for blue, R for red, G for green too. It doesn't matter. Then put your cover on your marker. Okay? If you had to pick, would you pick blue, red, or green? Out of those, yep, that's actually how you spell it. Maybe can I just take a peek? Jane, can I just take a peek? Okay.
Green and blue.
You gotta pick one, Braxton. Pick one. You can only pick one. You can only pick one. Okay. If you chose blue, I'm gonna put B up here for blue. Can you stand up? Okay, so we had Tayden chose blue. We had Dane chose blue. We have Gianna. We have Marcus. And we have Elizabeth, right? Okay, go ahead and sit down. All right. Okay. If you look up here, okay, how many chose blue?
5.
Okay. Look at the way I wrote their names.
In blue.
Well, I wrote it in blue. I didn't even think of that. You're right, Riley. But look at where I placed their names. Is it easy to count when you have names over here, and you have names down here, and you have names up here, and you have some over here?
No.
It's kind of confusing, isn't it? Because you know what? If I count, I might go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, did I count this one or not? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's all over the place, isn't it? It's kind of hard to count, isn't it? Okay. Well, there's actually a way that we could count how many kids thought blue was their favorite color in a more organized way. Can we do that? Can we do that? I'm going to teach you how to do that. Okay. I'm going to turn to the next page if it goes. Okay. I'm going to make a little chart up here. That looks like this. Okay. And I'm going to break my chart into blue, green, and red. Turn and talk to your partner. How do you think, what's a good way to show how many thought blue was their favorite color, how many green, and how many red in an organized way? Go ahead and talk. Turn and talk.
All over the place.
Anybody have an idea?
Going across in the box.
You got an idea? Jackson, you have an idea?
Circle.
Oh, so make a circle for each one? Okay. What else, Donovan?
You could put the number of people right next to blue. Let's put the total number.
Okay.
But how are you going to get to
How?
that?
Yes, I was just going to say that.
You say blue people. people stand up, and when the blue people stand up, you can count them. So you can put the number. So you can count the number of people that like blue, and you can put that number.
So it's kind of like what I was just doing though up on the board, right? Because when you stand up, you're kind of be all over the place, right?
No.
Because you're not all in a line or anything, right? You're kind of all over the place.
You could make you a long line.
Riley, what do you think?
Put it in a line.
Put what in a line?
The names, and then circle the names, and then put the number by the name, like 1, 2.
So I
3,
could write
4.
all their names up here?
And then you would circle, and then put like a 1, 2, 3, and then whoever was blue, green, or red, you
Okay.
could circle and put 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Okay. Gianna?
You can make their initials like G, and then put it like a G, and put it like a G.
But you know what? If I do that, if I just put an initial, like if I put a J, how do I know if I'm talking about Jackson or Jennifer? Or Jasmine? Yeah.
Or if
Right?
it's a D, you could tell them
Right?
what their last name.
But what if I didn't know their last name?
Oh,
You could put you could.
I like how you guys are thinking, though. You
could
guys,
go
well, honey, why are you shouting at me? Marcus, do you got an idea?
That's a graph. So what I was thinking, say 5 got blue, you would go in a straight line. She would count 5, and then she would put it up inside the box that says blue.
Well, the easy way, you guys had some great ideas, is to make tally marks. Okay? Which means I'm going to make a mark, a line down for each student that liked blue. Okay? All right? So, if I go back to my other chart, my smart board is
Well,
not,
they're not there.
you know, the smart board is not working very well. All right. Oops. No, it's because it's not lining up. There we go. Okay. So I know Tayden was 1. So on my chart, I'm going to make a line to go down for Tayden. Okay? I know Dane is another one. So I'm going to put another line to show that. Okay? Lisbeth was another one. So I'm going to put another line for Elizabeth. Gianna was another friend. So I'm going to do another line. And Marcus, right? Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a diagonal line to show that it's a 5 group. Okay? So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because now it makes a 5 group. Okay? If you thought green was your favorite, stand up.
I'm only standing up. That's my favorite color.
Okay? So let's count. What do we have back there with Jackson is 1. What we got? We got Donovan, so we need another one. Then we have Riley. Then we have Kimber. And we have Braxton. And I'm going to make my diagonal line to show my 5 group. Okay?
There's going to be.
All right, if you thought red was your favorite color, stand up. Okay? So we have, how we count? We have Jasmine, we have Gabby, we have Ezra, and we have Jennifer. Okay? All right. Take a look at your graph. Okay? How many children thought blue was their favorite color?
5.
How many children thought green was their favorite color?
5.
How many children thought red was their favorite color?
4.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to ask you a trick question. Oh, I don't know if it goes with that. Hold on. Okay. Which which color was liked the least? Don't shout, don't shout. Think about it. Think about the word least. Which color was liked the least? Turn and whisper to your partner. Okay, now tell me.
Red.
Which color was liked the most? Whisper. Okay, tell me.
Green and blue.
Why do you say green and blue?
Because they both have 5.
Why, Riley?
Because they both have a diagonal line and they have 5.
They both have 5, right?
marks.
Good. All right. Okay. Okay. Erase your board. Okay. We're gonna make one more graph like this. This time, we're gonna talk about our favorite. Sorry, it's not very straight. Favorite sport. Okay, here's what you can pick from. Okay, you can pick from football, or you could pick from basketball,
Can you pick wrestling?
or you can pick soccer. Okay. All right. So think in your mind. Which is your favorite sport? Football, basketball, or soccer? Write it on your board. If you had to pick which one was your favorite out of those 3, which one would you choose?
I'm leaving looking. And I made
Really?
All right. If you chose football, please stand. You got it, Gabby? Okay. So we got Gabby. We got Lisbeth. Jasmine. Ezra. Kimber. What am I going to do now? Cross. Diagonal line, right? Then we got Riley. And we have Donovan. And Dave. Didn't I call Jackson? No. Oh, and Gabby. And Jackson. All right. Okay? All right, have a seat. If you chose basketball, stand up.
I chose this.
Okay.
Only 2.
What do we got?
2.
1, 2. Okay. If you chose soccer as your favorite, stand up. Okay, we got Tayden, we have Gianna, and we have Marcus. Okay. Okay, take a look up here. Are you ready? How many? I'll wait till I have my good listeners. How many chose football as their favorite sport?
9.
Tell me.
10.
Count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many chose basketball as their favorite sport?
2. 3.
How many chose soccer as their favorite sport?
3.
Okay, now here's my question. How many, which sport was liked the most?
Football.
Which one?
Football.
Which sport was liked the least?
Basketball.
Basketball. Okay, here's my next question. How many children liked football and basketball?
Football and basketball combined?
How many children liked football and basketball?
11.
How did you get 11?
Because
Tayden, how did you get 11?
I added 9 and 2 together.
Oh, very good. How many children do we have in all that liked football, basketball, and